sometimes what you have to do with it is, what's the word now? You have to plug it out for a little while and then plug it in back, and then it'll work.
So the TV, Wi-Fi, and phone, the phone.
Oh, everything is on it.
Sir.
All right, turn off your webcam. Turn off your webcam.
Okay, sir.
Let's close the camera.
Wait. Give us a second, sir. How you do this, sir? Wait.
I'm gonna do it for you. All right, stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ready now?
Yes, sir.
All right, sounding better now? Okay, wonderful. All right, put in the details.
Session ended. Teachers ended session. You were signing. Sir,
Come again? It said what?
your teacher has ended the session. You were signed in.
No, in the end.
I don't know.
It asked for a code or something.
No, sir. You said my name.
Mm-hmm. Hold on there. Let me check something out.
Oh goodness.
Hold on, wait, hold on. Okay, join session now.
Wait.
You can join session. You finish putting the information in?
What is it, sir?
Finish putting the information as yet?
You said other option.
New style of biology class. Let's see, hope you'll enjoy it. Okay. Let's go. Let's have some fun.
This hour. What must I do? Scroll.
Alright.
I don't know what I did. I did out of.
Okay, no, I'm the one controlling the screen, man. Don't worry yourself.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so these are some of the objectives that we have not covered as yet. Right? Like performing the test to distinguish among food nutrients, state the functions of water in the body, state the role of dietary fiber in the body, describe the causes of effects of constipation and diarrhea, and the list goes on. However, for today's class, we'll be focusing on the first objective. All right?
Yes, sir.
And as we continue in the rest of the class, we'll move towards objective 2, 3, and 4, and possibly number 5. So by next class, we should finish all 10 objectives. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Food test. Testing for reducing sugar in food. Okay,
All right. Now, there will be a video that you'll be watching. All right?
yes, sir.
Hold on there. All right. Now, wait, before you start to watch this video, what you're going to be doing, but by the way, I did show you, wait, hold on there. Before you start to watch the video, hold on. I have to skip in this thing. All right. This is the order in which I wanted to make your notes.
Oh,
So, yes. It's an actual lab, but the image you're seeing is not the actual video, but the other videos coming is similar to it. Right?
yes, sir.
So, what we're doing is you're watching the video, and then you will be writing a report. So, after watching the video, if you want to watch it twice, let me know, and I'll allow you to watch it twice. Um, so you want to use the format below to document your report. So what you write down what the aim you think that what was the aim of doing this experiment. Good? Now you
Yes,
have to write
sir.
this. So you're gonna use the if and then principle. So if so and so, then so and so, and you states you must if and then states when writing. Good? When you're writing your hypothesis. Now the apparatus. Do you know what I mean by apparatus? You know what I mean by apparatus?
Process. So is it when the we're doing the experiments?
Yeah, but what are they?
Repeat it.
What are they?
I don't hear you.
The apparatus is like the equipment used or the instrument used.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay, okay.
All right. So the apparatus are the instrument used. One thing that is missing from this list is what we refer to as materials. Materials now will be like the substance that they use, all right, or the reagent,
Yes, sir.
or the reagents that they actually use. So instead of just writing apparatus, you could just write. So you could write the materials as well, and then you could also write the reagents on the materials. Method or procedure. What do you think we're looking for when we're writing the method or the procedure? What do you think we mean? When you're watching the video, what are you looking for?
How we do the how we do the experiment?
Yeah, how the experiment is conducted. Now, when you're writing the method or procedure, in science, we normally recommend, it is recommended rather, that you write the procedure in the past tense. In what?
Repeat it. Repeat it.
You write, tell, mo- tell mommy that she's disturbing me, please. Ma'am,
It's a good name.
okay, good night. All
How
right.
are you?
I'm not bad, you know. I'm not bad. Trying.
Just check, just checking if you had class.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man.
All right.
All right, cool. All right. Okay, so you are, so you're supposed to write the method in the past tense. Okay, you got that? Yeah. All right. Now, observation. When we talk about observation, what are we referring to when we talk about observation?
What you observe during the experiment?
Okay, so you know, so you have to observe. You have to use the eyes. You have to use the ears. For somebody who don't likes to watch videos, I am so sorry for you. That's why I say you'd enjoy this one.
Okay.
All right, well, we're talking about conclusion now. What do you think we're referring to? We're talking about conclusion.
So what you learn in the experiment?
All right. Now, your conclusion must match up with your hypothesis.
Yes, sir.
Hypothesis is sometimes called an intelligent guess. You know what you're assuming what you think might happen or might exist. All right.
Yes, sir.
In some cases, when we write the aim, you always start off with two. The two is a goal you set out to find out. You get it?
Yes, sir.
So let us get to our first experiment. Now, what's the title of the experiment based on what you see on the video?
Yes, sir.
What's the title of the experiment based on what you see on the video?
What I think the experiment is about?
Yeah, what's the title?
Testing for glucose.
Very good. So what do you think would the aim be?
Repeat. What would the aim be?
Mm,
Testing for glucose.
no. For starter, you want the aim. Alright, when you watch the video, you'll probably formulate the aim. You ready now?
Okay.
Click on the play button and say the video will play. Alright, so you go ahead and watch that video now.
Sir, can I watch this again?
Yeah, you can, of course. You were hearing it though, right? Hello?
Hello?
Were you hearing it?
Yes, sir, I was hearing it.
Okay, you can watch it again. Go ahead.
Yes.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Another. Watch this one? Or not yet?
Yeah, man, you can watch this one.
What? I know. Mm-hmm. Okay, sir. Sir, can you send me these videos on WhatsApp? The links to the videos on WhatsApp?
Is on WhatsApp?
Yeah, one of the links to the videos on WhatsApp.
Okay. You mean when? No?
No, whenever class finishes, or whenever you get the chance.
Okay, okay. I'll put this in the I'll put this in the what is it? All right, that person making up too much noise there.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna just give me a second.
Yeah. Okay, ready now? So you have been learning from them, right? Hello? Hello? Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. So you have been understanding these videos, right? Eh? Hello? You hear me? Are you hearing me? All right, so we have a quiz time.
Sir?
Yeah, go ahead and do the quiz now. You can do the quiz right now.
Repeat, sir?
Go ahead and do the quiz.
Oh.
You'll type your answers in that area,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. The regions would be the Benedict solution only, or the whole.
No man, type if it will be the what?
If it would just be the Benedict solution or the whole,
The Benedict solution and what else was used?
just the Benedict solution.
Okay, so what else was used?
Oh, glucose.
Glucose wasn't used. Glucose is what you think that. They use the hot water, remember? Hot water.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you use the format that I asked you to show, use the format.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, my bad too.
Mm.
Sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Um, reducing sugar in watermelon.
You're right. You're right in the aim.
Sir, isn't this the format?
Come again?
Is this the format?
Yeah, you start off with aim.
Okay.
So aim is the first thing you write. You're not writing anything else.
Repeat, sir.
Aim is the first thing you write so far.
I'm not hearing you.
Only thing you have written so far
If aim is the what?
is the only thing you write so far. The aim alone you write.
Yes, you're trying to figure out.
Oh, okay. But I wonder if the computer have been slower, I mean, nasty.
No.
Okay.
Okay, but I'm asking if the aim would be like testing for reducing sugar in watermelon.
Exactly. Good girl. Good girl.
For reducing sugar. No.
Are you there?
Sir,
Okay, I was wondering if you're there.
I wasn't hearing you before.
Eh?
I wasn't hearing you.
Me never did say anything. Because I listen to you.
No, I was asking a question.
Oh, what were you asking?
Right, the hypothesis. It said if use if and then
Mm-hmm.
when writing. Remind me of what the hypothesis is again, sir.
All right. When you write the hypothesis, right?
Yes, sir.
When you're writing the hypothesis, it's like you're saying if. All right. Note now you're testing for reducing sugar in watermelon. So you are saying if dash is in watermelon, then this will be observed. You follow? So for example then, if if you cook, if
Sir.
Ashe cooked the food with salt, then it will not taste fresh.
Okay, sir.
Get it now?
Yes, sir.
Alright. I don't want to give away too much, so I try to be as, you know, as possible.
Yes, sir. Sir, what would
Alright.
happen?
Eh?
What would happen if you tested the watermelon?
No, but that's not how I would have worded it. Yeah, what you're saying is they are using the cause effect principle. So in other words, then you would say if reducing sugar is present in watermelon, then then what will happen? So if reducing sugar is present in watermelon, you have
If reducing sugar
is
is present,
in the watermelon, If reducing sugar is present in watermelon, because remember, we're testing to see if reducing sugar is present in watermelon, right? Good.
Yes, sir.
Is present in watermelon. Then what? What? It's another. The then no is suggesting what you would observe. You follow now?
Okay.
So what would you expect to observe? What would you expect to observe based on what you watch on the video?
Well, um, I'm not sure, but I'm thinking the watermelon will probably change color.
No, it's not the watermelon that will change the color, but what will actually change the color?
The glucose.
No. All right.
The
Yeah, go
I'm
ahead.
listening.
What would change color?
Sorry, wouldn't you miss the Benedict solution with the
Clay. Yeah, you would do that. So the color, you would have a color change to what then now?
um the it changed to brick red.
Exactly. They write that. They can say then there'll be a color change to brick red. The color's redder. Then there'll be a
So
color.
then the Benedict.
Or the solution. No, no.
Sorry.
But you say then the solution
Then the
of
solution.
the solution with Benedict with Benedict, then the solution with then the mixture of Benedict solution and the watermelon,
The solution on the water.
the solution, the Benedict solution with then the mixture. There's a mixture now. There's a mixture you're going to have there, so now. Then
Wait, sir. He said the solution. Then I changed it.
yes, that's what I'm saying now.
What was it?
Then mixture,
Then the
mixture,
mixture.
yeah, will change to brick red. The color of the mixture will change to brick red.
Wait. Sir. If reducing sugar is present in watermelon, then the mixture,
Then the color of the mixture
then the color.
would change to brick red. We can work with that. And make sure you record these things in a notebook. Don't just write it on this alone.
Yes, sir. Please don't do this. The laptop can be very hard to answer. Okay.
Not bad, I'm in a class still. See there?
The apparatus.
I'm in a class still. Oh, yeah, after that. Okay.
This would be the Benedict solution, right?
No, the solution would have been a material.
The materials required.
Reagent. Reagent. You can't touch the Benedict solution, so that's reagent. What you can touch with your hands is the apparatus.
Oh. So they said the pipette I try to remember. Sir, I forgot what the name. Okay, sir, racing. Sir, I don't remember what the name, sir, but I remember the pipette is like the tube thingy. Hello, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm saying I don't remember what the name.
So when you were watching the video, you never pause and write. You know that's what you should do. Pause and record the information that you need to gather. You remember, you know? That's just why even in a class, you have to listen and record what was said or what was shown, don't it?
Sir, I was writing, but then again, I didn't remember to write it because I was saying I would have remembered it.
Oh,
But
I see. Well, now you learn a lesson now. So that's what you always practice to do. Watch videos and expect to remember what you watch. Hey, hey. Now don't do that again.
I
You
remember
pause.
the pipette, sir. The
Oh,
pipette is the tube thingy.
you have a test tube.
So the pipette is it called the glass tube?
All right, you have the beaker.
The beaker?
Yes, that's where you put the that's what the hot water bath would be in the beaker.
Okay.
Then you don't have the test tube with the baric solution and the solution of watermelon.
The what, sir?
The solution of watermelon. 'Cause you'd have liquefied the watermelon and add the baric solution to it. The basically I tell you what for do you know. So
And
it
I hear.
all right. The apparatus would be the water, a beaker, a beaker. The apparatus would be a beaker.
Da, 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 da. Is it
Beaker,
darts?
beaker, comma, tripod stand,
The what?
tripod stand, the triangular stand that they put the beaker on.
Tripod stand.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
And then now, it's called a tripod stand because it have three legs, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. And they of course put a mesh, a wire gauge.
A mesh?
Come on, a wire gauge.
A what?
Wire gauge.
Oh,
And then now, with the wire gauge now, you would have test tubes. Then after the test tubes, you would have the tongue. So the tongue they used to hold the test tube.
oh, okay, sir. I thought it had another name because I was saying tongues, but I was wondering if it had a different name.
I wonder why it should have a different name.
Because most scientific stuff have different names.
Okay. And then you don't remember no more for yourself.
I remember the songs, the beaker and the test tubes, but
So what provide the heat?
fire.
The Bunsen burner. Huh? Bunsen burner. The next class, me not listening for you. No. You listen for yourself. Okay.
Okay.
You get away tonight. The only reason I'm helping you, know, is because You have mentioned the main thing. You know the reagent that you would use, the Benedict solution, and you also know the outcome of the test. So that is the key though. Well, it will be good though that you actually can write it in the format that you're writing it in now, okay?
Okay, sir.
Alright, so you have the beaker, the tripod stand, the wire gauge, test tubes, the tongues, the Bunsen burner, and that's it. That's it.
That's it.
And then the materials now. So you go down to the next line, you put materials.
Repeat, sir.
Materials. Materials. Materials.
Sir.
You know, hear me say materials?
Yes, sir. But isn't the one that you showed me didn't have that on it?
What did they write? Reagents?
The format that you showed me didn't have materials on it.
No, but no, but I did say it to you. I did say it to you, of course. I said it to you. I did say it to you. I did. But let's go. So materials. And the materials would what? About the hot water,
Yeah.
hot water bath.
Hot water bath.
They call it a hot water bath.
Okay.
You know about a hot water bath yet? Alright, it's hot water. Then now your watermelon. Because you need watermelon. You can't do the test without the watermelon. Maybe a small piece of watermelon.
Sir.
And then of course they couldn't put all of the watermelon in the test tube. It must be a small.
Sir, just watermelon. All right, small piece of watermelon.
You couldn't put the entire watermelon in there, so it must be a small piece. Because all of the watermelon you couldn't hold in the test tube.
Okay. The Benedict solution would be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And then now you go to which next now? What's next now? After materials.
Method procedure.
Exactly. Go ahead now. And what tense should the method or procedure be written in?
Repeat, sir.
What tense should the method or the procedure be written in?
What was the
What tense? What tense? Past tense, present tense, future tense, current tense. What tense should it be written in? The method or the procedure. What tense?
past tense, sir?
Yes, past tense. That's correct. Past tense. This one is on you now.
Okay, sir. All right. This is the procedure. Procedure. This is what you do, right, sir? As in, like, you put the watermelon in the test. Wait. The beaker, sorry. Wait. Sir, the little something where you put the Benedict and watermelon in. What is it again? Is it the beaker?
Test tube.
The test tubes? Sir, okay. So they put the watermelon on beaker in the test tube. Then you put water in the beaker. Am I correct?
Yeah, and heat it.
You put it on the Bunsen burner,
Mm-hmm.
and then you put
Hello? And then you put what? I didn't get that part. Then you put what?
it boils,
Mm-hmm.
and then change its color to brick.
No, you wait and observe the color change.
Observe the color change. All right, sorry.
Because in your observation, no, you would put that part, not in the method and procedure.
Oh, so you just put okay. So
Remember the method and procedure is how it is done, how the experiment was carried out.
what am I doing? Wait, sir. I mixed up here. How must I put it in a sentence where you mix the Benedict and the watermelon?
Just say a piece of watermelon and the Benedict solution insert
Okay,
was inserted. Just use your own words.
okay.
Use your own words, man.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I have to put the whole thing off the bun. Put the whole thing as in the whole. I've put in the hot water bath on the bun burner.
No, no, you don't have to say that. You could just
Okay,
set up the hot water bath.
okay.
Set up the hot water bath and the tripod stand, and then you continue from there. 'Cause what time is that? When
Repeat, sir.
by right you're supposed to do that, right? Because when somebody reads your method or procedure, they should be able to follow it. They should be able to take up your report and follow what you did to do the test.
Oh,
You understand?
wait, sir.
Eh?
Okay, I'm lost.
Now I'm saying it's basically you have to picture yourself carrying out the experiment itself, right? So note the reason why we're watching the videos is because you would not have had all of these apparatus at your home, especially the Benedict solution. You would not have had that reagent to use, right? That's why I have you watch the video. However, though, what you're supposed to pay attention to is what was done. You have an idea, but I guess you're having a problem putting the words together, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, basically, you would say, what is the it?
What is the what?
Just so the test tube was then, the test
Okay.
was then. So today's a trial and error for you, trial session. So the test tube was then.
Was then put in
All
the
right.
hot water bath.
Inserted. You could use the same word. Inserted. No, was then inserted in the hot water bath. To insert means to put in. Same thing. Was then inserted in the hot water bath. In the hot water bath.
The tissue was then inserted in hot water.
Mm-hmm.
Something comes after the question.
Was then inserted in the hot water bath and left and remain and left to be observed. And left to be observed.
Okay.
So that's basically what you do. You watch it for a few minutes.
And was left.
And left, you don't have to say was left, and left to be observed. Left is already past tense, don't it?
Yes, sir.
You don't have to say and was left, you say and left.
Right, sir. Left to be observed.
Full stop. Full stop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So the next thing now is the observation now. What you saw. So what you observe? You don't remember what you observed? I must tell you what you saw.
No, sir.
I was wondering.
observed.
And you don't put the I in it. You say it was observed.
Yeah, I was trying to put. Mm. It was observed, sir.
Yeah? That what? Are you for it or me for it? Your own words are right.
What?
I was asking the same question. What's that?
Sir, the color of
The paint?
the experiment,
Mixture.
the mixture. I was thinking the mixture. To go over the color of the mixture. Just to red. Sorry, tell me if anything's wrong there.
It was observed the color of the mixture changed to brick red. Alright. That's it.
Okay.
So conclusion now. What's the conclusion now?
Mm, so the conclusion would be what you learn in the process.
No, the fact that brick red exists. The conclusion will be that watermelon contains or reducing sugar is present in watermelon. That's all. You're basically confirming the hypothesis.
Makes sense. Watermelon is what?
It's present. Sorry.
Exactly.
Reducing sugar is present in the watermelon.
Okay. Reducing sugar or reduce what?
Reducing sugar is present in the watermelon.
Okay.
name for reducing sugar is simple sugar, such as glucose.
It's not me turn on the light. It's the other that turn on light. The one that let me turn on was right here. Okay, sir.
All right, perfect. So select that blue button now. What that blue button says.
Submit.
So submit. Click on submit.
Okay, so give me a second.
We're writing it off.
I'm taking a picture, so when I finish, I write stuff in the book.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Your answer was submitted.
All right. So I saw your answer. So, all right, that's all. Okay. All right. Good. All right. Good.
What now, sir?
Hold on. I'm moving to the next thing.
Okay.
All right. So this now would have been another test where you test for the non-reducing sugar. All right. But our next class, we'll pick it up from here. We'll pick it up from here, and
Okay.
we'll watch it. We'll do it from here, right? So it's now 9:21. We've gone nearly an hour and a half. Eh? Well, we have 8 minutes left, but the video might be a little bit tricky. So we'll take it up from here, though. So this is where this is how we're going to have classes going forward. All right. So
Okay, sir.
my question to you: how was it today?
It was good, sir.
Why you consider it to be good?
Yes, sir.
Why was it good today?
Because I learned how to actually, sir, I'm not sure how to say it, but I learned how to put um I how to put
How to
the
write an experiment?
to put the when a test in format,
Yeah, how to write a
my experiments in format.
good. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. So you found this class interested?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. You prefer, in compared to the other classes, you prefer it this way or what?
Repeat, sir.
In comparison to the other sessions, you prefer it this way?
Yes, sir.
Why you prefer it this?
Because it actually
Actually, do
it
what?
tests my brain more, sir. Can you just ask the questions on based on what we're doing without telling me what we're doing?
Okay then. All right. Good. So you like the challenge then, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think another video would be there. Um, yes, this will be the testing for non-reducing sugar. I'll allow you to try it out. Eh? Go ahead and
Repeat.
see. I'll allow you to take a sneak peek.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir.
All right. So that's a sneak preview. So we'll take it up from slide number 9. Got actually 15 slides, and then this would have been the next one, and so forth. Not gonna do that one today, and then what will be next right here? Another video, and this will be another protein test. So next week we'll continue on after I go through that worksheet with you, and so forth. All
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay then. All right. So we'll see you next class. I'll take it there. Remember, you have the maths test to do now.
Yes, sir, I remember.